Here's a condensed list of the 15 key points for a happier, calmer life. 1. Stop multitasking. Focus on one task at a time for greater productivity and calm. 2. Quit negative self-talk. Replace harsh thoughts with positive affirmations to boost well-being. 3. Avoid unnecessary comparisons. Focus on your own journey instead of others. 4. Limit social media usage. Reduce screen time for a more present, less anxious life. 5. Stop saying yes to everything. Set boundaries and prioritize your own needs. 6. Let go of toxic relationships. Surround yourself with supportive people. 7. Avoid procrastination. Break tasks into small steps and tackle them gradually. 8. Cease overthinking. Use mindfulness techniques to focus on the present. 9. Stop excessive screen time before bed. Wind down with a calming routine for better sleep. 10. End the habit of gossiping. Choose positive conversations to uplift yourself and others. 11. Don't dwell on the past. Focus on the present and future for peace of mind. 12. Avoid seeking perfection. Embrace good enough and learn from mistakes. 13. Stop skipping meals. Eat regularly to maintain energy and improve mood. 14. Let go of grudges. Forgive others to reduce stress and move forward. 15. Don't check your phone first thing in the morning. Start the day with mindful moments instead. Each of these simple shifts can lead to a more balanced, joyful life.